Greetings, and let's get ready to do some this. Welcome to Real Life Math and Science. This is Miss B, and today we are calculating the number of moles. More specifically, we are calculating the number of moles of sulfuric acid in a 92-gram sample. All right, here we go. First step is number one, of course, right? And we're finding the atomic mass for each element in the compound. Where and how, the periodic table made it nice and simple. So you just write down each individual atomic mass for each individual element. After step one is step two. And we are simply going to find the molar mass for each element. So, for example, hydrogen, the atomic mass is, and there are two, we multiply, and this is the molar mass for hydrogen. Sulfur, this is the atomic mass, multiply by 1 because there's only one, which we don't really need to multiply because we know that, but just for visual sake. And oxygen, 16 grams, there's 4, multiply. So 64 grams per mole is oxygen's molar mass, sulfur's molar mass, and hydrogen's molar mass. And we have step 3. Now we find the molar mass of the whole entire compound. This is the information we already had. We add all this together and we get the molar mass of the whole entire compound. And step number 4. We use this formula right here to find the number of moles. And remember that little m is for mass, which is given. Molar mass is what we just found in step number 3. We substitute the values in to arrive at our answer, final destination. But we always want to check our work. So, step number 1, we found the atomic mass of each element, found the molar mass of each element, found the molar mass of the sample, and we substituted to find the moles using this formula. Easy. And we calculated the number of moles in a 92-gram sample. We went from grams to moles, sulfuric acid. This is Miss B, Real Life Math and Science.